Viewers, welcome to today's class. In today's class, I'm going to teach you how to count from 50 to 400 in pure Khana Ogoni language. So today I'm going to teach you how to count from 50 to 400. So from the illustration on the board, this is 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So in Khana language, we call 50 by tuplelo. That is 50 naira. That is 50 by tuplelo. Then 60 star tup. 60 is star tup. Then here we have 70, which is tar tup lelo. That is 70. Then here we have 80, which is near tup. Then 90, which is near tup lelo. Then 100, it is 002 because it is 5 in number. When you add 20 naira into 5, it will give you 100, which is the 002. Likewise here, 50, when you add 20 naira into 2 plus 10 will give you this. So let's do it. Here is 20 plus 20 plus 10 will give you 50. Will give you 50. Here you do, because it is this way, 20 plus 20, 20 plus 20 plus another 20 will give you 60. Likewise here, 70 will give you 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10 will give you 70. Here is 80. So it is 4 in number, 420. So it will be this way, 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus another 20 will give you equal to 80. Here equal to 70. 70. Here equal to 60. So likewise 90 here, you add 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 10 equal to 90. Here you come to this side, 100, because it is 100, which is 002. So you add the 20 into 5 places, which will give you 20 plus 20 plus another 20 plus 20. How many 20 is here? 1, 2, 3, 4 plus another 20 will give you 100, which is 002. So here you have 50, which is batup lelo. Here 60, which is tatup lelo. Tatup is 60. Here you have 70, which is tatup lelo. 80, which is niatup, and 90 niatup lelo. Then 100, which is 002. I guess you are following up on your understanding. If you have any question, you can as well drop it in the comment section. If you have any question on this, you can drop it in the comment section. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100, which is batup lelo, tatup lelo, niatup. Here you have 90, which is near tuplelo, and you have 100 here, which is 002. So I'm playing the ball. Let's go over to the one. So here we're going to take from 200, 200, 200, 300, and 400 as by some 002. 002. Here is 300, which is tason 002. Tason 002. 002. And here is 400, where the mathematics is. Here is zin bo. Zimbo. What make up this zimbo? Zimbo, for you to get what we call zimbo in Khana, Ogoni language, you need to add 200 into two places, which is 200 plus 200. Zimbo. Here you say zimbo. Here is zimbo. So what you do to get this zimbo is this: 200 less 200 plus 200 plus 200 will give you 400, which is 400, which is zimbo equal to zimbo. Do you get it? Do you understand it? How come about 400? Here is 200, which is bason ootu. We give you 200. We give you 200. Here is tason. Here is 300. That is 100, 100 into 3 places. 100 into 3 places, we give you tatu. Tason oo. Tason ootu, which is here 300. Then here you have 400, which is zintu. This zintu, when you add 200 plus 200, or you can simply say niason ootu, which is niason ootu. 100 plus 100 plus 100 and another 100 will give you what? 400, which is, if you sum this together, will give you 400. 400, which is zimbo. So for instance, if you are counting something that you are getting to the extent of counting to 200, 300 and 400 in pure Khana, this is pure Khana language. So when you get to 400, you call it zimbo. Then when you get to 300, you call it tason ootu, because it is 100, 100 into 3 places. So you multiply it, you plus it, sum it together. So it will give you 300. Then for instance, 200, if you count to the extent of 200, you will still add 100 into 2 places, which will give you 200, which means bason ootu. I don't know if you get it, if you are getting it. I don't know if you understand it. If you have any question on this topic or on how to get this near to, please drop it in the comment section. I will respond to all your comment. Thank you very much. If this is your first time on this channel, I would like you to share, like and subscribe. It is my only way of contributing to promoting the Ogoni language, which is my heritage. I love my people and I will do my possible best to promote this language to the world at large. Thank you very much. My name is Peter Wiganade, your host today. Thank you for your time.